Here's how you will set up your assignment in order to collect your evidence and your thinking. Once you open the assignment that says Speech Text Evidence, you will read the directions, and then you will click Answer Assignment. You will create a table, you will record and read, and then when you're finished, you'll click Submit. So I will walk you through those steps now. The first thing you will do is click Answer Assignment. You will click Show Assignment so that you have the directions in front of you and are able to read. Then when you go down to your answer, you're going to want to insert a table. Click on the third icon that says Table, and you're going to create one that has maybe 5 rows and 2 columns. Once you are finished, you are going to press OK. In the first column, you will type in your text evidence. In the second column, you will type in your explanation. Okay. Remember, we are looking for strong evidence that we're going to quote, so you're going to want to use quotation marks. You're going to quote your evidence. And then over here, you're going to tell us why that is strong evidence. You need to have at least 3 examples. If you need more rows, when you get to the last row, you can press the Tab button and you will get additional rows added to your chart. Once you are finished collecting evidence and writing your explanations, then you will scroll down to the bottom and you will press Submit. If time is up and you are not quite finished, you will save it as a draft and go back and complete it later. Once you press Submit, Mrs. Welsh and Mrs. Janeski will get notification that you have completed your assignment.